This is platform where you can earn money daily by doing a simple task. So if you're among those seeking how to make money online, stick with me in this video to the very end so as you learn the step-by-step guide on how you can make money from this website. So this website, I've withdraw some money in this site. So if you want to make money in this site, just come to quantify. So if you come to this place down here, just click on it. So you see different levels of earnings in this platform, and you can earn up to $1,000 in this platform depending on the levels you unlock. So if you look at this place now, this is level 1. So if you look at this place now, me, I'm on level 1. So this is level 1 here. So the minimum deposit you need in level 1 is 15 USDT. So and you'll be earning 0.5 USDT for complete 180 days, which means you're going to earn $90 with just your $15, right? So in level 2 now, you need level 1 you can earn up to $17 because you can use from $15 to $499 unlock this one. I can earn 0.5 to $17 in this level 1. In this is AI Robot 1. So in AI Robot 2 now, you need 500 USDT to 1,999 USDT to unlock level 2, and you can earn from 20 to 84 USDT in this place, and you're going to earn it and withdraw it for complete 180 days, right? So it's a huge money. If you multiply $20 by 180 days, you see it's going to give you a huge amount of money. So you're going to make a lot of money in this place if you unlock AI Robots 2. So in this one now, you need $2,000 to unlock AI Robots 3. So and in this place you can earn $237 to $505 in this AI Robot 4. So this is huge. So that's how it is to AI Robot 10, right? So in AI Robot 10, all you need is 100,000 USD to unlock AI Robot 10. So and you'll be earning 11.5% of your money, right? So this is VIP preferred strategy. So in this one now, you'll be earning a lot of money from this place. I'm going to withdraw it for complete 180 days. So this is awesome, and there are other ways you can make money from this platform, right? So in case if you want to deposit now, if you want to withdraw, this is where you're going to withdraw. Just click on this place and then copy your USDT wallet address and paste it on this place, then put the amount of money you want to withdraw. So the withdrawal limit is just 1.5 USDT and deposit limit is just 1 USDT. So you can deposit 1 USDT and withdraw. The minimum withdrawal you can make in this platform is 1.5 USDT. So you just put your password and then click on withdraw, right? So now if you want to deposit, you just come to this place and recharge your wallet, because before you can unlock any of the AI robots, you need to recharge your wallet. So if you want to recharge your wallet, just come to recharge here, click on recharge, then see these two options. Just copy this wallet address and make sure you use USDT 020 wallet address to recharge the. So this is a USDT 020 wallet address, so you recharge it to this wallet. So once you recharge it, come back here and click on recharge complete, and the money will automatically be deposited in your wallet. And go ahead now to unlock any of the quantify, any of the AI robots, right, and start claiming your free reward every day. So if you want to perform tasks every day after 24 hours, just come here and click on this Bitcoin here, Bitcoin logo here. So once you click on it, the tax will start running and you will see your daily earnings in this place, right? So and these are you're going to be doing it every 24 hours, and you can withdraw every day, right? So in this place now, you can refer to earn up to $500 in this place, right? So if you want to download the app, you can just click on this place and download the app. For iOS or Android download, you can download it from this place. So if you need any help, you can click on this place to chat support, right? You can click on that place and contact support. So when you sign up, you see you're going to get $500 sign up bonus, right? This is awesome. When you sign up, you get $500 sign up bonus. So this is team. Anybody you refer, you can be seeing your referrals here. Anybody you refer, be seeing your team you referred here. So and anybody you refer can be earning from $20 to $500 from every referral you made in this platform, right? So this is invite friend. This is where you can copy your referral link. So this is referral link here. You can copy the referral link. This is your code. So you send the referral link to your friends, they can join, and you can make in from $20 to $500 from every referral you made in this platform. So this is agent cooperation. So in this place now, you see that you invite 5 persons, you are going to make When you invite 5 people, you're going to receive cumulative reward of 10 USDT, and when you invite 5 people, you're going to receive cumulative reward of 25 USDT. So when you invite 20 people, you receive 55 USDT. Invite 50 people, you receive 135 USDT. So this is awesome. So you can start inviting your friends now to make money from your referrals, right? So, and if you read more in this place, if you read more in this agent corporation now, you're going to know more about this one, right? So this is awesome. So this is quantify, where you can do your daily tax every day, right? This is where you can do your daily tax every day, right? Once you come to quantify, you do your daily tax in this place. So if you want to invest, you can come to invest, right? This is another way you can make money from this platform. I'm coming to invest. So this one is quantify, where you can do your daily tax. So if you want to invest, this is another way you can make money from this platform. Just come to invest. So start investment. You see AI revolution, you're going to be earning 4% in your invest. So this is price 100 USDT, and you'll be receiving 4% of this money for complete 15 days cycle, and you can withdraw your money if you wish. So cryptocurrency investments, you can be earning 5% of your money, and this one is 1000 USDT, complete 30-day cycle. Then this one, this is smart cryptocurrency, so you'll be earning 6.5% of your money for complete 60 days cycle, and minimum deposit is just 5000 USDT. So the same thing happens to this last one, which is smart chip. So this one will be earning 11% of your money for complete 360 days, and this is 1000 USDT. So this is awesome. This is another way you can make money from this platform. So if you come to service now, so if you need any service, you can join the Telegram community from here, and you can chat support from the Telegram in this service, right? This is you, this is everything about you, where you will see your balance and everything. So this is my balance, and this is total asset is 515 USDT, right? I've made a lot of money in this platform, and this is my quantitative account is 15 USDT, so I can withdraw it anytime I wish, right? I can withdraw it anytime I wish to withdraw it. So you can just click on the link in the description of this video to register in this platform now and start making money for yourself. So, well guys, don't forget that anything about make money online are all risky. You need to do your own research before you can invest your money in anything make money online. We that invest our money online, we do our own research. We feel like if we feel like this platform is good, that we are going to make money from this platform, we go ahead and invest. So make your research, do your own research, and do with your money whatever you wish. I'm not your financial advisor. Do your own research. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button so as each time I upload some videos like this, YouTube will always get you notified. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.